Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup. I don't know if I want to call it a tutorial because this is something new I did. Should I call this a tutorial? Hey guys, so today I'm going to be starting off with my Nivea cream, and this is going to be moisturizing my face and priming my face. I already have my eyebrows done, so I do not need to do that today. Then I'm going to take my NARS foundation and apply it to my face.
Make sure we get everywhere our neck included. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend out my foundation as well.
Now we're going to take our NARS concealer and conceal our under eyes.
Our chin, our forehead, and last but not least, our nose.
My damp beauty blender and blend that out. Next, we're going to apply our contour from the contour palette Black Radiance. And we're just going to be applying that to our cheeks. And now I'm going to be taking another brush and blending it all out. After that's all blended out, we're going to go in and contour our nose. So now we're going to finally get into our highlighting. So now I'm going to be taking my eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the color Mocha and applying that to my eyelid. The next color I'm going to be taking is the color Mermaid, and I'm going to be putting that on the crease of my eye. Next, I'm going to be applying some concealer to make a cut crease. Okay, so after the concealer is applied, I'm going to be applying some more eyeshadow in the color Fleshy. I'm just gonna put that all over the areas that I put the concealer. Okay, so next I'm going to be applying some eyeliner, but not on my lash line. It's going to be over where the crease is. So then I apply some black liquid eyeliner on my lash line.
So apply a little bit more of the glittery eyeliner.
I'm going to be taking a little bit more highlight and put that in the middle, in the inner corner of my eye. I applied some lashes on off camera, and now I'm just going to put some mascara on. So I'm going to be applying some more eyeshadow underneath my eye.
On the same side of the
So I'm going to be taking that same color that we put on our crease underneath my eye. And I'm going to be taking some highlight by Sephora. It's called Golden Hour. And I'm going to be putting that all over where I like my highlight. And now I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty highlight in the color Trophy Wife, and I'm going to be putting that on top of the other highlight. And here you can clearly see I was with myself, not even finished with the video. So now I'm going to be lining my lips with some lip liner. And after that I'll be applying some lip gloss. And now this is my finished look. If you guys like this look, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. Please give this video a like. Remember to comment and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.
I'm living my best life. I made a couple L's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons.